Hello students, welcome you to Trice e-learning platform. Here we are going to start with exercise 1.2 introduction part. Here the next type is into function. What is this into function? A function f which is from x to y is an into function. If there exists an element of y having no preimage. What does mean? Let's suppose there are the two set, this is set x and this is set y, and let's suppose this is elements 1, 2, 3, 4, let's suppose y having some element a, b, c, d. So, if we are connecting 1 with A, 3 with B, 4 with C. Now, is it a 1-1 function? First of all, tell me. Of course, this is a 1-1 function because every element of set X have the different image in set Y. This is a 1-1 function. But at the same time, this is also into function. You know why? Because here there is a one element which is D, which don't have any pre-image in set X. And that's what the definition says, no pre-image. At least one element of set y have no pre-image in set x, then that type of the function is called as into function. So this is an into function and 1-1 function. So into function can be 1-1 function. Wow, great. Now let's say to this 1, 2, 3 a, b, c. This is x, this is y. Now when we are connecting this all element of set x with a, then is it a 1-1? No, it is a many-one function. So this is a many-one function. But apart from that, is it into function also? Yes or no? At least one image of set y have no pre-image. They are the two images. So it's a double advantage, but at the same time we will say this is also not a 1-1 function. So it is, or onto function. This is not onto function. So it is into function. So what we have learned, the function is defined in this way, 1-1 or many-one, or in other word we can say onto or into. So 1-1 is called as injective function, onto function is called as surjective function. So when we combine these two, we get another function that we call it as a bijective function. So that we are going to learn now. So now which we are going to learn is called as 1-1 and onto bijective function. Bijective means injective and surjective, then we call it as a bijective, right? Okay, so what is this function? If a function is both 1-1 and onto, then only we will say that the function is on-1 onto function, or we can say bijective function. And you know that for checking 1-1 function, what we have to check, whether f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if x1 is equal to x2 for all x1 and x2 belongs to that particular set x element which is set A, first set, and onto, if we are checking for onto, codomain need to be equal to range, or in other words, if we can say for all y belongs to this set y, there exists x which also belongs to set x, such that f of x need to be equal to y. In that case, we will say that the function is onto function. For example, let us suppose we have, this is set x and this is set y, and now we have the element like a, b, c, and set y have the element 1, 2, 3. Now 1 is connected with, a is connected with 1, b is connected with 3, c is connected with 2. Now is this function is a bijective function? We have to check. Is this function is a 1-1 function? This is a function, first of all, just tell me yes or no? Yes, because each element of set A have one and only one image in set Y. So this is a function. So is it a 1-1 function? Yes, it is a 1-1 function because one have one different element of set X have the different image in set Y. So it is a 1-1 function. So this is a 1-1 function. Right. Okay, what about onto function? Is all element of set Y have the pre-image? Yes, this is onto function. So 1-1 and onto combined, we will say this is a bijective function. We'll take few questions now. Now we have taken one question. What here says, prove that the function f which is from rational number to rational number given by q means what? Rational number given by f of x equal to 2x plus 3 for all x belongs to rational number is bijective. When we have to prove bijective, actually what we have to prove? We have to prove this function is a 1-1 as well as onto function. So how can we prove that? So let's see. We will prove first it is a 1-1 function or not. So for 1-1 function, what is required? For 1-1 function, if we are checking, so we will write, since f of x is equal to, written over here as 2x plus 3. Now at x is equal to x1, what will be f of x1? That will be 2x1 plus 3. Make it equation number 1. Also at x equal to x2, f of x2 will be what? It will be what? 2x2 plus 3, make it equation number 2. So here now we will do what? If we are equating, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, when we are saying f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then what will be result? Let's see. So we can write this one as 2x1 plus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 3. So in this case what we get, 3 will get cancelled, so 2x1 is equal to 2x2, so 2 will get cancelled, so x1 is equal to x2. Means if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, in that case what we are getting, x1 is equal to x2, and this is a criteria for one function. So the given function, will write it, therefore the given function is 1 function. Now what we have to check next? We have to check for onto function. So here, since f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is given over here, let f of x is equal to y. So y is equal to what? 2x plus 3. So from here 2x will be what? Y minus 3. So from here we can write x is equal to y minus 3 by 2. This is x value. Right. Now the input become, this is input become output, means f of x, and now the output become input. So if this input will satisfy for all, because here just you can observe in set A and set B what? Set A and this is set B, or set x, set y, nothing is set. So A and B, okay. Rational number means all those value which can be represented by P by Q, where Q cannot be equal to 0. This is a criteria, all the elements are there. Here also P by Q, all elements are there. Q cannot be equal to 0. You know that why? Because that will turn to infinity. So if we are taking all these rational numbers, then we need to get a rational number. This will need to be the criteria, since y belongs to Q. Q means rational number. Therefore y minus 3, if you have a rational number like 1 by 2 minus 3, if you will subtract this way, what you are going to get? Minus 5 by 2. This is again a rational number. So can we say y minus 3 is a rational number, belongs to rational number? So y minus 3 by 2 is also going to be a rational number. So this is what? Y minus 3 by 2, this is x, belongs to rational number. So for every y belongs to rational number, there exists a x which again belongs to rational number. Therefore such that we will write it as such that f of x, what is f of x? X is what? Now we have replaced x by writing this one, y minus 3 by 2. So once we are keeping y minus 3 by 2, what we are going to get? Let's have a look. When we are this is x we are replacing by writing as y minus 3 by 2. So when we are taking y minus 3 by 2 over here plus 3, so 2 will get cancelled, so y minus 3 plus 2, that is what? Plus 3. So what we are getting? Y, which is again we are getting y, right? So such that f of x is equal to y. We had supposed that f of x equal to y, and again we are getting f of x equal to y. Therefore the given function is onto. Therefore it is bijective function, and this is what a criteria we had learned, that if a function is 1 as well as onto, therefore this function is called as bijective function. With this we complete exercise 1.2. In next video we are going to start with exercise 1.3.